BBAI stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Is it a buy or not? Watch this very brief short 1-minute video till the end, find out. Especially now looking at BBAI, this is a very solid bullish market. You know, at the beginning you saw a lot of stuff here, but this was just proof of me previously milking up this movement. Then it crashed, and then I started milking that movement up here. Just bottom line, you know, over the last 5 predictions, I've gotten 3 wins and 2 break-evens, and then currently I like how we freaking delivered yesterday, because the only thing that I'm expecting is a double break shift, right? So in this particular instance, I already saw the first break taking place, so the only really one thing that I'm waiting for is a second one, you know, a second break. And if that doesn't happen, then I'm not gonna be buying. You know, pre-market is a little bit higher, but guess what? If my rules are not met and there is not a second break the way that I want it, then I'm not gonna be buying, you know, because there's abundance of opportunities in the market. There is no need to try and force stuff. And all I'm practically doing in the meantime is I'm just waiting for rules to be met. So that's how BBAI is looking like for me, and this is not financial advice. So if you want to stay tuned and get free money making emails and insights, click the first link in the description. I'll see you in the next one.